Hey, good morning everybody. Today in our first tool review of our 2-minute tool hack is going to be the speed square. Out on the job site or in the shop, the speed square is going to be your right hand. If I ever lost this right hand, I wouldn't say attach a Terminator arm from Terminator 2. I wouldn't say attach Captain Hook's hook. I would throw on a speed square. So right here you get your speed square. A few parts. You have your degrees. This helps you lay out your common rafter. You also have your pivot point right here. You got your ruler. You have your layouts for your rip cuts. And then also you have hip and valley. And that's for, a more experienced carpenter. The first use of a speed square, of course, is just drawing a simple cross cut out. Use your lip right here, okay? Push it firmly against the top of your board, and then you can draw out your line. So, first simple cut right there, cross cut. The next thing is drawing out your angles. So right here, you have your degrees, and all of these are your different angles. If you want to draw a miter cut, I like to draw a straight line first, just to give me a little access point. You got your pivot point right there. You rotate your square upwards, okay? And let's say I'm doing a 30-degree cut. There's 30 right there. I raise it up till 30 crosses the top of the board, and then I draw my 30-degree angle like so, okay? If I wanted to draw a 45, the back of the square right here is a 45, so I would line it up right there and then just draw a 45. The next one is a rip cut. You have all these little grooves right here. So if you were doing a 1-inch rip cut, what I like to do is put a mark on 1 inch right here. All right, and then I'll slide it up and I'll find my groove that's 1 inch, and then you can just take it and run that square down the edge of your board, and it'll draw you out a 1-inch rip cut. Okay. Laying out your common rafters. Okay, so your common rafters, they are right here. All right, and then you have all your pitches. A common pitch for a house would be like a 612. So 612, I would do the same thing that I just did before for my angle. I would raise it up to my common 6 is at the top of the board, and then I would scribe my line on the back side. And that would be, your top cut or your plumb cut. You have these 2 lines right here. Those will help you lay out your bird's mouth, okay? So what you have to do is you take your square and you roll it over, okay? And then you line up this line and this line with your 612, okay? And then you have your bird's mouth cut right there. So that would be your bird's mouth.